So the next tip I'm going to share today is how to take some extra leaves that you have. What's important is that these are ones you've pulled off a stem that maybe have a hole on the bottom. Same thing, you get a lot of greenery that's like this. It has pieces that you can manipulate and use. So one of my favorite tricks is to take flowers like that and come in with your stem and go right through. Now I don't go all the way up to where the flower is just because I feel like that looks really unnatural. But if you come down a little and position this around the greenery, when you put this in the bouquet, it just kind of gives that vibe that it's growing right from these leaves. So I'll always take my hot glue gun and I'm going to add just a little dab of hot glue right underneath, just to help it not slide. And then put that down and let that rest. So I will often do that on the same flowers in a bouquet so that it has that cohesiveness, that it feels like all of these roses came from these leaves. And if I have enough, then I will choose another style of flower to do that too. I love to do that with flowers that feel like they are a little bit delicate and could maybe use the extra support or protection of a leaf in case you have any greenery or fillers that are a little bit rough. So in this case, I'm going to choose these little delicate ivory guys, and I'm just going to have this leaf pop up a little bit. I don't want to go crazy. This is not a huge flower. Let's get my sense of where I want it. And we'll do a little dab of hot glue. And then same thing. Oh, actually, I only have 3 leaves. So we'll just do it on those 3 unless I find some more.